The following video is a AMADA RG-50 CNC hydraulic press brake. This unit is new 2001. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, well, I've already got it powered up. Both e-stops are off. There's one on the door also needs to be off. We've got our depth, our basket gauge. Basically, set this for depth. I can control it. It basically moves a limit switch up and down, determining how high the unit can go. Then we've got our back gauge override. And we can home it. Then we got our pedal here. Depending where you set your depth gauge, how far it'll go up. It'll stop when it hits the limit switch. Put it back down.
Again, the following video is a AMADA RG-50 hydraulic press brake 2001.